Hi everyone, today, we're unboxing the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine, a drone provided by one of our subscribers. Let's dive right in and see what's inside. Everything in the bag is neatly packed, as we've come to expect from DJI. This drone is the first in the Mavic line to support Apple ProRes video recording, making it an ideal choice for professionals seeking the highest image quality. Let's start with the unboxing. First, we have the DJI 10 gigabits per second Lightspeed data cable. Its quality braided design feels great in hand. Next, we've got two USB-C cables, also well packaged. Now, let's check out the spare 12-inch propellers for the Mavic 3 Pro. This size enhances stability and efficiency, especially in windy conditions or when using additional equipment. Next up, we have the ND filters, 4 of them ranging from ND8 to ND64. These filters help achieve the perfect image under various shooting conditions. Look at the charger with dual ports. It allows simultaneous charging of both batteries and the remote controller. Very convenient for extended shoots. Off camera, I'm checking the drone.
Hello, motherfucker.
Now, let's move on to the charging hub. It can charge up to 3 batteries at once, which is handy if you have multiple spare batteries for longer flights. And here's the DJI RC Pro controller. It feels really good in hand. Also included are adapters for various power outlets. The 7 cables provided allow you to charge your drone anywhere in the world. The final piece is the camera protection cover. Let's put it on to keep the cameras safe. Now you're all set. Regular exercise and workouts keep your body toned and full of energy. Here's the drone in some beautiful lighting, a great moment to transition to the next part of the video. For comparison, I'll use my avatar. Although these drones are in different weight categories, I'll share their features. Its propellers are about the size of the motor on the Mavic. Now, let's take a closer look at the Mavic 3 Pro. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing system is a technological marvel. The drone is equipped with sensors on all sides, making its flight safe and stable. The cameras are impressive too. The main camera has a 4/3 CMOS sensor, and the secondary camera features a half CMOS sensor, delivering outstanding image quality. Now, comparing it to the avatar, the Mavic 3 Pro clearly outshines in terms of image quality and functionality. The drones serve different purposes, so their comparison is a bit like apples and oranges. The Mavic 3 Pro's flight time is remarkable, up to 46 minutes on a single charge. Its motors are real beasts. The 12-inch propellers ensure stable and powerful flight even in challenging conditions. And a fun fact, the Mavic 3 Pro can transmit video up to 15 kilometers away. Let's discuss the DJI RC Pro controller. This controller not only supports long-range connectivity with the drone but also features a stunning 5.5-inch 1080p screen, which offers excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. The premium materials and quality build make it comfortable to hold, and the responsive buttons and sticks provide precise control. The built-in battery offers up to 3 hours of operation, which is perfect for extended shoots. I'm not removing the protective films from the displays because, unfortunately, the drone will be returned due to a packaging error. The Mavic 3 Pro's batteries boast an impressive 5,000 mAh capacity, providing up to 43 minutes of flight time on a single charge. These lithium polymer batteries are known for their stability and high energy density. Next, we have the charging hub, which can charge up to 3 batteries at once. This not only offers convenience but also keeps all your batteries in working condition. Their hub also functions as a power bank, so if you place a depleted battery in their hub with charged ones, they will share their power and equalize the charge levels. You can easily check the battery levels with a single press of a button. As with all DJI products, charging all 3 batteries takes about 1.5 to 2 hours, which is quite fast for such a number of batteries. ND filters are crucial for creating high-quality video, as they reduce the amount of light hitting the camera sensor, helping to avoid overexposure and achieve perfect exposure. They are especially useful for shooting in bright conditions to maintain natural motion and cinematic background blur. The bag for the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is compact and sturdy, perfectly protecting the drone and accessories. It's water-resistant and has a well-thought-out interior. unlike the bag for the Avatar. This one is more spacious and better organized. Let's start by packing the DJI Mavic 3 Pro into its original bag. As you can see, everything fits neatly and compactly, thanks to their well-organized interior. Each item has its place. Now, I'll try to fit the DJI Avatar into the same bag. Unfortunately, the Mavic's bag clearly isn't designed for the Avatar, and it doesn't fit. This clearly shows the difference in size and design of the bags. Moving on, I'll pack the Avatar into its own bag. The Avatar bag is indeed spacious and allows for easy storage of all essentials. Now, I'll take the DJI Mavic 3 Pro and carefully place it into the Avatar bag. As you can see, there's a lot of extra space in the bag. So, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine stands out among its peers. It's not just a tool for an enjoyable hobby but a truly professional piece of equipment. Its features and capabilities make it an excellent choice for those seeking top-notch quality in videography. With support for Apple ProRes and impressive features like enhanced collision avoidance and extended flight times, the Mavic 3 Pro Cine opens new horizons for creative projects and professional shoots. This drone not only offers exceptional image quality but also combines ease of use with thoughtful packaging, making it a great option for those serious about high-level shooting. While many drones are geared towards recreational use, the Mavic 3 Pro Cine is designed for those looking for professional results and reliability. If you're seeking a drone that meets the demands of even the most discerning professionals, the Mavic 3 Pro Cine is the choice that won't disappoint. Thanks for watching this video to the end. See you soon.